Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be I don't know what it's going to be. I'm trying to decide, is it a decorate with me? But I don't think so because I'm not decorating. Is it a move the house around with me? Because I am moving the house around. Is it a clean with me? Because I am going to clean the house that I'm moving around. Is it an at night routine? Because if you look outside the window, it's nighttime. I'm not exactly sure what this video will be. It's just going to be a whole conglomeration of a lot of things. We just wanted y'all to come along with us as we're doing it. So here's the thing. See that red cabinet right there, right? That red cabinet has been in that spot since we moved in this house almost 5 years ago. It has never moved, ever. And I have another cabinet over here that is my actual desk. And I am in need of trying to create some homeschool space for the kids. And so I'm going to swap those cabinets. I'm also going to bring this couch on this side of the living room so that we can be facing, everything is facing the windows. I'm going to change the curtains out as well. Those curtains, I'm going to change those. I'm leaving the desk where it is. That's going to stay. But there's just, and here's the thing. So if you've been watching my videos for a while, you'll know that sometimes I get in these moods where I need to move stuff, and I'm in a mood. I need to move stuff. Like I am feeling and sensing some unsettledness and some unrest, and I need to move stuff. Now I'm still in the Lord because I trust God and I know that everything is in control and He is good, but I have not deep cleaned as much as I've needed to, and that's bothered me. But my schedule is so busy. It is it's after 7 o'clock. We have a casserole going in the oven, but I've literally been out of my house for 12 hours, running around with the kids. I only worked half a day today, and we had this appointment, that appointment. We got at one appointment. We were there for an hour and a half late, waiting for our appointment. And then I had to take Jackson to Taekwondo, and then me and Alana ran to Walmart, and I literally have been out of my house for 12 hours. So when I get like that again, the only thing I can control is my house. And so I am going to do a little moving around and a little cleaning while I am moving, and it's going to make me feel better. After that, I am going to be doing homeschool with Alana. She has math, and I think Jackson finished. I helped him with his math. We went to allergy shots today, so I helped him. But I'm going to help Alana. So I'm giving myself 45 minutes to get this done because that's about the time that we need for the casserole to cook and finish. So Jackson is getting Ma'am out right now so she can do her little business stuff. Sister is somewhere, but that's okay. I know how to round them up. But we're going to jump in. Again, I'm swapping out the two cabinets. I'm switching a couch. I'm going to change the blinds. I may remove a few pieces of decor or add a few pieces of decor. I'm really not sure. We'll see as it all unfolds. This winter, as soon as we're on winter break, which is like in December, I have 2 weeks off from school. I'm going to be doing a kitchen remake on a budget. So I'm going to be redoing some stuff in the kitchen on a strict budget. But it's now time to do some stuff. I'm not one of those YouTubers that constantly changes my stuff around because that meant I have to buy stuff, first of all, and I'm on a budget. And then I'd have to store the stuff I bought. And then I'd have to, every time a season changed, I'd have to get it out and change it. And that does not work for my time frame and my schedule. I know a lot of people say, Shakema, are you going to be decorating for the fall? No, I'm not. Not gonna do it. I just don't have time. I think if I had more time, I would. But I decorate for Christmas. I do spring when it's time to lighten it up a little bit. And pretty much that is about it. I'll do a refresh for the summer. Other than that, I keep it clean with what we have and we live our best life. So anywho, I have gabbed enough. We're gonna jump in and do what we gotta do. And take the broom as well and go all along the sides, Jack. Yeah. The other side as well.
The room will obviously back here.
Yeah. Alana, can you push the front of that while I'm pulling?
What do you mean, like
This side. I'm having to turn it to get it moved.
Oh, I see. Oh, it's like oh, you want to turn it this way?
I'm just having to turn it. Here it is to get to it. It would almost move easier on the sheet. Alrighty, you guys, so the kids and I are done. There's a bone. We do need to dust these shelves. I'll get the kids to come and run a quick dust rag over those. But what we did was we went ahead and switched out this cabinet for the red one. And we flipped the couches. So now we're looking towards the school area. Because remember, my desk opens and it has a fold-out desk. And then here's another little desk. That's for Jackson. In those drawers, I'll give you a tour of those drawers at another time. They just have homeschool stuff in them. So we did change the curtains. We didn't do much else. The biggest things was moving those two things. I did move those flowers, but other than that, I mean, it's just what it was, with the exception. I just needed to clean a little bit. I needed to make sure that the house looked good and smelled good. You know, we do have a dog, so I'll give you a view from over here. And then this is just what it looks like now. And then you can go into the kitchen. So there it is, you guys. Just a quick go through. It probably took us about an hour and 15 minutes just with those pieces are heavy. And so it just took us a little bit longer. But anyway, there it is. We got to eat and do homeschool. Just wanted to bring you guys along as we worked in our space. So if you liked the video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.